more and more Northern Californians are struggling to insure their homes. State lawmakers just made a last-ditch effort to change how the industry does business, but that failed. So what happens next? Our Rebecca Habegger explains.
For several years now, homeowners in rural and increasingly urban areas have grown more and more desperate as the cost of their homeowners insurance has gone way up, with many people having to switch carriers after learning their original carrier would no longer offer them a homeowners insurance policy.
I don't know what I'll do if I can't afford the house.
Kathy Townsend lives in the Tuolumne County community of Sonora and never anticipated insurance problems when she bought her home here in 2012.
My payment has doubled, and I'm not making any more money. I can't even afford with the interest rates now to move out of the danger zone. You know, I can't even buy something that's worth less than my home.
She's part of a group of homeowners I interviewed with similar issues. You'll hear from them in coming weeks. Some people, like Laura and Charlie Callahan, are leaving the state altogether. They sold their El Dorado County home in 2020 and moved to Tennessee after their homeowners insurance cost more than tripled.
We didn't know what the future held for that, if we even were able to keep getting insurance, much less how much we were going to have to pay for it.
State Farm, Allstate, Farmers, and AmGuard are just a handful of the companies that have, to varying degrees, limited the way they offer homeowners insurance in California, with some refusing to write new policies altogether. Many cite the rising risks due to climate change, like wildfires, the rising cost of construction materials due to inflation, and a regulatory environment that doesn't allow them to raise their rates quickly or efficiently enough. At the Capitol this week, as the legislative session is wrapping up, lawmakers failed to seal a deal that would have made it easier for companies to charge higher prices as incentive for writing new policies and renewals once again. Consumer advocacy groups blasted the potential deal as a half-baked bailout of the insurance industry. In a news release this week, California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara said his department is moving forward with a package of regulatory solutions that will streamline the department's rate review process.
Governor Newsom says a working group within his administration has been studying this issue for months. A spokesperson tells Cal Matters the governor will have more to announce as soon as next week.